At remberg, we are building Europe's leading maintenance solution, a modern AI-powered cloud platform made in Germany. My name's Laura and I work in the field of strategic growth, and I will be guiding you through our solution today. remberg helps maintenance teams build their processes in a structured, efficient and future-proof way, because we believe that maintenance deserves a software that is intelligent, intuitive and integrable. The first thing we'll look at is the hierarchy overview. Here you have the option to mirror the structure of your site, helping your employees quickly locate the areas and assets they need. As an example, we've chosen a setup based on halls, plants and production lines, including all machines and related components. This hierarchical structure forms the core of the solution, providing a quick and intuitive overview of all assets, machines and subcomponents. To dive deeper into our system, let's first have a look at the Lifecycle File, or as we like to call it, the patient file. As the name suggests, it contains all the information that is vital to keep your machine or your asset running smoothly. In this view, you can find all the modules and functionalities offered by remberg. On the left-hand side, you can display all data related to the machine and even add custom data fields to ensure that all vital information is stored in one place and easily accessible. On the right-hand side, you'll see all relevant links and associations, such as the exact location of the respective machine, the assigned QR code, and the internal responsibilities connected to it. In the middle section, you'll find all the functionalities used to generate, store, and work with data. To sum things up, you can add information via the Notes function, get an overview of all requests, work orders, and maintenance plans, and also store data such as manuals or circuit diagrams within this data section right here. Last but not least, all activities related to the asset are automatically recorded within the activity log, allowing you to trace what happened, when, where, and who performed it at any time. You might be wondering where all this data actually comes from. So let's take a closer look at how maintenance data is actually generated within the remberg system. The process of data combination combines automated data generation from maintenance plan operations with manual inputs from within your team, ensuring at every step that each action, update and event is reflected in real time across your assets and processes. The core of maintenance-related data generation is built on two main streams. The first stream includes all preventive maintenance work that needs to be carried out in defined intervals, for example, annually or quarterly. This information is stored within our maintenance plans, where work orders are automatically generated according to the rules you set at the beginning, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. The second stream covers all ad hoc maintenance work, such as unexpected breakdowns or sudden malfunctions. These cases are captured using our request function. Through the assigned QR code, issues can be reported quickly, easily, and even by non-users of the remberg solution. These reports then appear in the maintenance overview and, after a review, can be converted into work orders and assigned accordingly. Let's explore how remberg takes maintenance intelligence to the next level. Our AI Copilot transforms the way maintenance teams interact with their data. As I said, the remberg AI Copilot transforms the way teams interact with their data, providing instant insights, contextual answers, and a smarter, faster way to access critical information. So let's take a look. Integrated in all the functionalities mentioned so far, the remberg Copilot supports you in your day-to-day maintenance work by making information easier to access and faster to retrieve. The dataset is defined by you when uploading files such as manuals or documentation. We then orchestrate the data ingestion process, and once the purple wand icon appears, you know that the content has been vectorized and is ready for you to use. The advantage of using an encapsulated LLM, like ours, lies in its context limitations, which help prevent hallucinations and therefore reduce the risk of incorrect answers. So let's take a look at an example. If I ask what tolerances are specified for the workpiece, the Copilot then searches exclusively through the data you've provided and only within the context of the selected asset, in this case, this machine. It then returns an answer, with a confidence level and even references the exact source, pointing you directly to the right page in a large manual. To conclude, let's have a look at our dashboard, the central place where insights really come together. Within the dashboard, all the data collected across your operations is transformed into actionable visibility. Within this view, you can see data collected from your system and how it is used in daily operations. As an example, the dashboard allows you to identify which machines generate the most maintenance requests, helping you determine whether a replacement or deeper inspection might be necessary. Of course, remberg is integrable via API with all systems in use as long as they offer API endpoints as well. To gather further information, feel free to take a look at our developer hub on our website. That was a brief overview of what remberg has to offer, because we believe maintenance deserves a solution that is intuitive, intelligent, and integrable. Thank you for watching.